damage. This is Highway 39 South, just south of Donaldsonville. We do have some power lines with line on them right there. But up ahead you see here, got an excavator working, getting the trees out of the way so that the crews can come through. See, there's supposed to be power lines all along here. They're gone. Trees took them down. You can see right there. Then the main power line crosses the road here. Trees went the other way, so most of the trees are facing west, so they went over during the first part of the storm, worst part of the storm. See a lot of lines hanging low, a lot of damage in the front yard there with the old mechanic house. Suzanne hates this tree because it's always sitting there. It looks like it's half dead, that live oak, but it's not. It's still there. There's a power line just on the road. See all the power lines down. Poles bent, crooked. Lots of trees down. Power lines down, down, down. Broom house damaged. Oh boy, this will take a while. Power lines down. I think this is how our power comes to our house, so I think it's going to be a while. It's an intersection of 39 with 285. There's areas where there's still trees across the road, like right over there. And there's power lines coming across the road right over there. Got power lines hanging low. Trees down, dozens of pine trees. It's the entrance to Arrowhead Estates, part where my parents-in-law live, just adjacent to our house. But got another video of the damage at our house. This neighborhood has got a lot of damage. Fortunately, not a tremendous number of trees on houses. There are some, but a lot of times the trees did miss the houses, unfortunately. Folks trying to clean up. Got water in that house, Jarvis house. We got a little water in our house, but not terrible. Mitchell's looks pretty good from this side. Trying to get this tree out of the way here. That excavator or whatever it is from the cotton gin has been really helpful, and Tony Riley's been real helpful in helping folks get trees out of their driveway. Whew. My parents had tremendous trees in the driveway, but Tony came by, and thanks to the cotton gin, get them out. See here, there's trees everywhere. But nobody injured badly in this neighborhood, thank the good Lord.